guys, just wanted to do a unboxing for the Google Home Hub. Um, I was looking at this versus the Amazon Echo, and the Echo Show actually um, has a bigger display, but I decided to go with Google because we already have some Google products in our home, like Chromecast, as well as we're getting the Nest doorbell and some probably a Nest thermostat for our new home coming up. That's also Google owned, as well as we have recently gotten rid of cable and have gone to YouTube TV, which also interfaces with the Google Home Hub. There's quite a bit that you can do with this product. It has a 7-inch touchscreen display, as you can see here. Really nice, small screen, good for a kitchen or even a nightstand. Um, you can set alarms, do all kinds of cool things with this. It's got far field microphones, two of them actually, so that it can hear you across the room or across the space. And it also has a light sensor, which is really nice if you use this screen, say by your bed. Um, it will, dim that screen so it's not as bright when you turn the lights out at night. Um, it has a full range speaker built into the back of the display here. We'll show that when we unbox it here in a minute. We can kind of flip over to the other side here, see some of the things that we can do here with Google Calendar. You can add doctor's appointments. You can ask Google Maps, where the nearest bakery is, what is your commute going to look like for work. Um, any of the Nest products, security cameras, front door cameras, any of that you can use with the Nest products. You can watch YouTube videos and even do YouTube Music and Spotify, as well as Google Photos. If you have, trips that you've taken or photos that you want to show on the screen, you can do that as well. It's all integrated with Google Assistant, which is Google's version of Alexa, or as we like to call it, Siri is the Apple version. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up so we can take a look at the inside, see what comes in the box. I'm going to make sure I get in there real good. Make sure we can close this knife. Go ahead and pull this plastic back so that we can open the box here and see what is inside. So take that off. So inside the box, open it real slowly. We'll find right there on top we have the 7-inch touchscreen display. This is the Google Home Hub. We got the charcoal edition, so it has a nice black speaker in the back. Really nice for doing that. It's got the mute switch here for muting the microphone, turning the microphone on, as well as there are, I believe, some volume buttons on the device. Yeah, they're here on the back end. There is some volume buttons that you can see here that you can use to control that. So we'll put that right here. And then also inside this box, let's see what else comes in here. Obviously, it's a getting started guide. It looks like got some warranty information, as well as the instructions here. Let that camera focus. So looks like they've got some instructions on how to use this, as well as, last but not least, I believe, is the power adapter for the device. Let's take a look at that real quick. Pull it out of this box. So it looks like a nice quality type charger device with a circular plug-in that you would use. I'm planning on using this in my home when me and my wife move in, and so I will be definitely coming back and giving a review on this product after I've used it for some time. So just kind of wanted to show you guys what we're dealing with here, and um, hope you will follow and like this video. So thank you for coming out today. Have a good day.